Hey, everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up Venice AI locally on your Windows computer. Venice AI is a powerful tool for private chat. Best of all, I've made it incredibly easy to install using a single bat file. First, go to the GitHub repository. You can find the link in the description below. We'll start by installing a single bat file into our directory. This script handles everything. It installs Python, all the necessary dependencies, and automatically installs my custom scripts from GitHub. Setup takes time and, as usual, depends on your internet connection. Finally, it starts to download Venice Uncensored AI from Hugging Face. Visit Hugging Face and check model. This model is quite good and, unlike others, offers you freedom of speech without censorship. The download size may not appear correctly in the terminal, but the correct numbers will appear after a short wait. The download was successful, and the model will now be run automatically. You don't need to do something. It needs 1 or 2 minutes to start. Once the model is successfully run, the browser will open automatically and we will be able to start chatting with Venice. The answer to the first question always comes late, but there's no need to wait too long for subsequent inquiries. Let's ask the same thing to ChatGPT and see what it says. I'm doing this to show how uncensored this query is. This is educational content, and you must not engage in any illegal or criminal behavior. Let's create quick shortcut and set Venice icon. Running the same bat file again will directly launch Venice AI and open your browser. The latest conversations are here, but we can't pick up where we left off. If anyone wants to fix this, feel free to create their own fork on GitHub. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll try to make contents like this.
See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.